Dear students, in last introduction session, we have discussed syllabus and importance of the instrumentation and process control subject in chemical engineering. We have also discussed various chemical process diagrams and its application in the chemical industry. We have discussed ISA standard to understand basic symbols of an instrument and their representation in process and instrumentation diagram. Along with this, you learned how to give unique tag number to each and every equipment or instrument used or installed in chemical industry. In today's session, we are going to cover topics like types of measurement, measuring element, classification of instrument, performance characteristics of an instrument, and how to describe any instrument. With increase in demand and growth of continuous manufacturing leads to continuous measurement of process variables like temperature, pressure, level, etc. became utmost important. Thus, measurement and instrumentation are the foundation of efficient chemical industry. Types of measurement like direct and indirect measurement will be discussed with its example. Measuring instrument is a device for determining the value of some particular quantity or condition. Measuring instrument can be classified based upon their function or the mode by which they indicate any change in the quantity to be measured. We will discuss different parts of measuring instrument with their functions. The knowledge of the performance characteristics of instrument is essential for selecting suitable instrument for specific measurement. We will study static and dynamic characteristics of the instrument. Any measuring instrument can be described with the help of its principle, construction, working, calibration procedure, performance characteristics, and its advantage, limitations, and applications in the field. With this, I welcome you all for the next session of instrumentation and process control. Thank you.